Good afternoon, Internet. Where are we? We are at historic National Fort Langley. We're going to have a good time. It's cold. It's November. Let's get inside. Yeah?
Yeah. Fort Langley.
Where are we going?
Land of Dreams.
Land of Dreams.
Okay, so this window is like a trade window. So they came up to the window and bought stuff, so they didn't actually have to come into the fort. They could just come to the, it's like a drive-through window for fur.
Drive-through window for fur. Good afternoon, good sir. I would like some fur, please.
Fur and cranberries, apparently. Oh, should we go up in the tower?
Should we go up in the tower? Yes, we should go up in the tower.
I've arrived. Looks like you can walk all the way down here and all the way down there to another one.
Fort Langley is a former trading post of the Hudson's Bay Company and is also considered the birthplace of British Columbia in Canada. I just look at the
Morgan
window
peeping in the
and
window.
someone's staring back at me. Hello?
These are the historic Hudson's Bay blankets, the pattern.
Well, these were just bought downtown.
Last week.
What the hell is this?
This is intense. It's a magical history tour.
I feel the music isn't appropriate.
I think it is. It's really upbeat. I feel like we're watching like Dirty Dancing. You know how they're like pulling up to camp on the first day and then doing the intro to the movie?
Keep warm, she said. By the fire, she said.
I know. She was like, go warm up by the fire. It's like not even a fire.
It's a bit sorry looking.
Welcome to Fort Langley.
I feel you're mocking this. Madam.
Oh my god.
What? Would you like me to do this for you?
What are you doing exactly?
I don't know.
Okay, hang on.
Next level. What is that?
Morgan's stamping.
The original fort was 4 kilometers away and began construction in 1827. In 1839, it was then moved to where it is now and changed focus from the fur trade to farming, fish, and cranberry harvesting.
I want to live in this house, hey?
Yeah. We got the TV over here. Here's my musket.
Yeah, we can play checkers.
Yeah. Beneath my musket. The piano's playing, but there's no one there. Did you find something?
No.
We're rich.
So many fake potatoes. They're like, I don't... Hello?
Is this where it ends?
Yeah.
Make it move.
I can't. I can't do it. You suck.
I'm a lumberjack. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, we like a good chat, and subscribe to see more. You know you want to. See you soon.
This sucks.
Pretty sure there's glass in here. So